I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief for Commercial Baking, and I am closing out ASB's 2023 Baking Tech, and I'm catching up with Kristen Spriggs, the new Executive Director, and Eric Lewis, VP of Supply Chain Quality for Flowers Foods and the 2023-24 ASB Board Chairman. Kristen, welcome to the industry. Your first order of business was BakingTECH. What are your thoughts? What did you think?
This was amazing. There is so much community within this membership and specifically within this event, but you can really tell that it just goes beyond even this industry, really loves to support one another, share, dig deep into details, analyze how they can make their businesses better, build on their successes. And so that was really evident, and I could see that in the content that the programming committee put forward. There were some really terrific deep dives into subject matter. And then also we had stages such as our Bread Talk stage, where we got to talk about the human aspect and workforce development and culture. And so there was also this sharing among peers of what works and how they can share and bring experiences that they have and share those with others. So it was really terrific, and it was really fun too. I really enjoyed being here with everyone.
BakingTECH is nothing if not fun.
It is.
And one of ASB's strongest suits is our sense of community. And so I'm really glad that you saw that and got to participate in that. Eric, congratulations. We are entering the 100th year of ASB. So tell me, what are you looking forward to and what are your plans?
So really what I'm looking forward to, I'm looking back to over the last year and a half. We got to meet last year and had a good year, but this year was just amazing. We had, I couldn't believe how many people were here. It was very busy and everyone was very engaged. So probably the thing I'm most excited about is, really this is run by volunteers, really. All of our speakers, all of these people are volunteers. People commit time to this, and we've got a great group of board members, great group of committee members, and really just looking forward to keeping this momentum up. And like we were talking earlier, like we have a meeting in 2 weeks with the board, and we're not stopping. So this is it's a very exciting time. Kristen coming on, and so many things to look forward to.
Yeah, and innovation does not happen in a vacuum. And you guys are right. There was so much energy this year. I think since 2022, coming out of the pandemic, there has been so much energy around ASB and BakingTECH, and I'm really looking forward to see what the next 12 months hold. And I can't wait to be back together at BakingTECH and see how this energy and momentum plays out. So congratulations to you both.
Thank you.
And let's go catch up at casino night.